What's up, folks? Welcome to the channel. I've got the mud grip, I got the OEM, and I'm actually taking off the factory tires and I'm putting back on the aftermarket setup. And back in some of the videos, there was folks asking, you know, any idea how much this weighs? Like, how much heavier is it going to weigh down the machine? So let's take it and weigh it. I got a nice little fish scale. This thing goes up to 50 pounds. I hope that tire's not over 50 pounds, because if it is, it's getting pretty heavy. I mean, it makes a drastic amount of difference if you add weight to your wheels. I noticed on a pickup truck, like if you go 10 pound heavier tires on a gas motor, you can tell on the takeoff, you can tell on the braking, and you can even see it on your MPGs you get. So, curious what these are, and let's start off by weighing the factory setup. And this is the rear tire. We're just gonna weigh the rear tires and see what we can find out. Turn the scale on 0. Let's go ahead. Check the pounds. I don't know if you're gonna be able to read that. Like 24.8. Okay. Let's take it over here to the quad boss wheels with the Maxxis Zillas tires. We did go a size up from factory. So we got the 26, 11, 12s. And these are 26, 9, 12. So it did go up. Go ahead and re-zero this. Okay. Looks like 35, 35.2, 35.4, 35.1. So roughly about 10 pounds heavier. And that's more than I thought it was going to be. Because when I picked out these wheels, I wanted to get some lighter, so I went to Maxxis Zillas instead of looking at Maxxis Mudzillas. Still got aggressive tread, but it's just lighter weight. So I wanted to still have that high performance in the four-wheeler. So that's my setup right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put these back on. We can get some more videos going. If you have some other quick questions, I'll do some of these quick videos. I'm gonna try to post more often, more than once a week. I can. It's tough, but sometimes I can squeeze out a short video that way and keep the post up. Love to hear what you want to see. Hit me up on the comments. Have a happy New Year.